Hi everyone, Sarah here. I'm trying really hard not to be the person that just posts haul videos and doesn't actually do any crafting, but it's really hard. I'm just doing handheld here just really quickly to share with you guys the new tripod that I got. Basically, I started watching Vicky Boutin on Facebook Live, and she had this tripod stand that she had on her desk or on the table because she was at a crop, and I got so excited about it because it looked so super cool. And then I saw that Kathy Zelski, CC's Designs, also has it. She just picked it up, so I checked it out and bought it right away. Hi, Cheesecake. This is what I have to deal with. That's why it's hard to craft, because I have cats that like to jump in my space. So I ordered it on Amazon. I will put the link down below for their actual website for you guys, but just go on and search, and it's the Akron, it's Akron table kitchen tripod. So basically they are promoting it for people that do cooking demonstrations and periscopes and stuff, but it has a super sturdy base. I've already put stuff on it. It's very heavy base. Actually, the box said heavy, but it wasn't super heavy, but it's a heavy base for a tripod. And then it has a telescopic stand here, and it's metal, so this is like really heavy kind of steel, and then the actual stand part is metal, and this twists and you can pull it up and down. So I've only got it partial way because it actually goes all the way, like the whole length of what this one is, so you can double it. And then here's the part that comes out over my desktop. So it comes with these two pieces already put together, and then the third one if you want to. And I do recommend the third one if you're doing just facing straight down onto your desk. So, sorry guys, I'm trying not to be too shaky and make you sick. All of these are adjustable. When you undo this middle one, these are all balls so that you can position it however you want. Like you can turn left, you can turn right, you can go up, you can go down. So when you loosen this, both sides come undone. So hold it like this with your hand and loosen it with your other one, just so you know. And then this is the phone holder or camera holder. So I use an iPhone 7. I don't do anything fancy. Honestly, this is the most I spent is on this tripod because I do this for fun. This isn't like my job or anything. I'm just a fun crafter. So this is like fully adjustable, up, down, tilt. And then let me just grab the piece because it comes with another piece. So this is instead of this one, so you would undo it up here, put this one in, and this is for anyone who has a camera with the stabilizer in it, and you can just screw this into your camera and use it whichever way you need to. So I only use an iPhone, so this is all I need. But I have to tell you guys, like, look, it is, but I'm not touching it. So when I'm filming, I'll show you what I used, which was Ghetto. This is the way I actually used to film when I was in the corner, not all the way over here in the corner, but it's this clip that I did purchase off of eBay, I believe, at the time. And it is a more heavy duty, like spring metal, and like you have to bend it and you have to take your two hands to bend it. So then basically this part would hold the phone, this clip like this. And it worked out really good when my desk was in the corner, but you can see it's fairly dark over here. So basically I had it clipped off of the top here and just hanging straight down over my desk, and I would work here. And that worked out really well. But now that I'm back over here because it's brighter, say hi, Cheesecake. It's brighter over here and I needed more light. So this is why I had to get this bad boy, but I love it. I've only had it one night and I'm in love. So anybody that's interested, check it out. All right, so I'm gonna stop filming and come back and share with you guys my goodies. Okay, so I'm in my tripod setup. I've opened my blinds to let in some more light. There's a shadow over here from the cat. So she has not left. She's still here. Again, here's that piece in case anybody couldn't see that. So that is for anyone who's using a camera that has the option to screw into your camera to hold it nice and steady. Now, I did try this with my, because I had some questions, so I attached my Canon Rebel T3i and it was too heavy, and that was with the 3 pieces across the top to bring it out further. So I've read comments or reviews on this tripod, and if you only use the 2 pieces across the top that I showed you, then sometimes you can see the stand down at the bottom. In this case, I have like my perfect workspace here, and I'm not zooming, nothing. This is just the height that I have it set at, so it works out good. So I don't know, but someone else did mention a different tripod that works good for the heavier cameras. So I have a couple orders that came in from the Not Too Shabby shop. These should be it for now. I keep saying that, but everything's so cute. So there's Jamie's card and the information. Don't forget to log in to collect your points when you're shopping. And then any US orders over $60 ship for free. Jamie still has, there's design team members. I'm not a design team member right now, but design team members still have coupon codes for 10% off, and Jamie has hers. It's just Jamie for 10% off. Yeah, so I had picked up the Doodlebug Soap Honey paper. I picked up the die cuts last time, and I was kicking myself for not getting the paper, because I did get the Simon Says stamp set that was created to kind of match with this, so I had to pick this up. It's too cute. And then my first order was the MFT release, so I picked up the Lava U stamp set. I did not get the dies. They're kind of pricey just to make a volcano, and I have some ideas, so but I really love the sentiments, so I'm gonna try something with that. Of course I had to get the kitties. I don't know why, but I love cats. This one is Love You Forever, and they're so cute and the perfect little size. So, and I love this You're My Favorite Cat Lady, which is probably me, but so when the MFT release was on, this was the free with 60 was the Smile die. Love it. This size is awesome for cards. Cannot wait to play with that. And my bunny obsession lately. Yeah, I picked up the bunnies. So this one is Bubble Over with Joy. They're so cute, and they're blowing bubbles, and you have all these different bubbles to use, like the solid and the outline, and then all the sentiments. So adorable. I think I'm going to ink them up today. I'm going to do some bunny stuff and share a video with you guys. And then because I got the cats, I had to get the dogs. These guys are just so cute. And again, the size of them is very cute. So this is Puppy Kisses. And then even some of these sentiments I can use with the cats. You're my favorite human. So, and shake it off. So cute. So that was the MFT release. The next thing was the Neat and Tangled release. So the free was 60 when Neat and Tangled came out, was these little sequins. And it's the light and luminous sequin mix. They are so cute. I've got an obsession. So for this release, I really wanted this monster stamp set. He's so cute. I did already stamp him out for Jonathan to play around with his markers that I got him, which by the way were actually very good. They did bleed a little bit, but I have to say for color and saturation, the dollar store alcohol markers were good. They kind of remind me of my Prismacolors when I first started coloring. So I got this little guy, and this is not from the new release, so let me show you this one first. Friendly Florals. I really wanted to pick this one up because I don't have a lot of flower stamps, and I've seen a lot of backgrounds done with them and some clusters and stuff, and I did pick up the dies so that I would be able to make some good cards with it. So that was cute. And then I did keep kicking myself for not getting this one either when it first came out. This is the Ride With Me, and of course I got the dies. Yeah, because all of these little things. So cute. And then, yay! Jamie has started designing some rubber stamps under the Not Too Shabby name. So these are illustrated by Monique Cannon, and she is the one who drew her logo, her new logo that she has. And Charlie, her dog. So cute. So this is the first stamp set. It's not available just yet. I am going to be designing for the blog hop. So I have one of the first sets to be released. I believe it's April 12th is when the blog hop is going to start, and there's going to be a special coupon and everything. So you guys check it out. She's so adorable. She's got her little coffee bar, an espresso machine, a cake, a shake, a coffee or a latte, another kind of like shake cup, a cupcake, bow for her hair, and then we have coffee first and let's do coffee. So Jamie has already done a video coloring and creating a card with this, so I'm going to make up some projects to share with the blog hop. Super excited. So nice to be included in this. I'm like super excited about it. Alright, so that is it. I am going to stop hauling and start creating to share some more stuff with you guys. Alright, have a great day. Leave a comment, subscribe. Bye.